original article. Dog on this, brother. Disney can't deal with this, son of brother. Morning, peeps. Right, today we are just coming to 90 Mile Beach. So come down in the truck. Check this out. These guys are coming down here. So this is it, 90 Mile Beach. And you can drive down it. So the road ends and you then enter onto the beach and it goes for 90 miles. So that's what I'm doing now, just having down to have a walk. Morning, gonna have a walk and see it. But this place, I saw it in a TV program called Far North, and there was a drugs boat out at sea, and they ran out of fuel or broke down or whatever. Yeah, this is where it was based. So I wanted to visit it while I was here. But it's all sandy, look. And you drive down on the beach. Awesome place. So yeah. Hopefully we don't get stuck in the sand. Yeah, what a cool place. What a cool place. It's very sandy. Very soft sand. Beautiful. But the sea, this is on the west coast. So the sea's a lot rougher out here, so it's harder to launch boats and things like that. But yeah, check out the quad bike. Just chilling. Nice. And that is it. It's a lot better here, more compressed on the wet sand. The loose sand, really soft. There it is, 90 miles of beach. Beach as far as you can see. We're going to drive down there and maybe drop the rods, do a bit of fishing along the way, but you can't even, it's mad. Yeah, and there's guys out there surfing. Andy. Yeah, so check this out. We're driving. Oh, excuse the beat. I ain't got the seatbelt. Right there. So we are driving along 90 Mile Beach. What's he doing? Land. Oh, that's the float.
To take the line out.
That's the kite, yeah, to get his line out off the. Do we stay on the same?
Yeah, same as the road. It's on the same.
Left hand side, you sure? Because he's going by the sea.
Yeah, no, he's changed it.
Yeah, because I'm not going. I'm not going to film 90 miles of driving like this, but how cool is that? Put the seatbelt on because it's going to keep moaning at me. Bloody cars nowadays. Oh, just surreal, isn't it? Like, yeah. Never seen it.
There's a big one at near right that you have to drive through, and everyone's like, ooh. Again, people slow down halfway through.
Well, you don't know what's under the water.
Yeah, but
I don't know if you can quite see that, but what a mad sensation. The sand's blowing across from the dunes on the right towards the sea, and it feels like the road's moving from right to left. Hello, while you're driving. Awesome. And it just has to remind me to I'm in traffic because there's still got traffic coming to it. Like, this is a public road. It's just mad. Some truck up ahead of us just trying to keep.
We've gone past it.
So we're gonna try and find a little spot, see if we can. Yeah, this sand blowing is crazy. Whoa, look at that. do it justice. Yeah.
Maybe, yeah. What do you reckon, Lily?
Yeah, I think it looks pretty fit here.
Yeah.
Shall I turn round?
Yeah.
Right, so that's us. We're set. We left 90 Mile Beach. It was a bit rough and windy and all that and raining, so we've come over. That was on the west coast of the North Island, so now we've come over to the east coast. But what another amazing scenery! Look at this place. This is a place, I think it's called Rotorua, and I can't describe the landscapes. Like the last place, like look at this. It looks like snow, but that's white sand. Look at this place. Mountains and trees up there. To fish this one as well, so we might just be driving around today looking for somewhere to go. But yeah, what a mad place, beautiful. It's so, I don't even know how to begin, but it's so varied in landscapes and just beauty. The place is lovely, even with these extremes it's still lovely. And this is on the North Island. Fishing. That's actually over there. So I think this is Rotorua. I'm saying it right. I'll try and see a sign when I leave here. Wow. Soft the sand is. It's like powder. That same place. So yeah, we're I'm driving down the High 91 or High 1, I think, and then towing a trailer full of sheep. He's even got him in his truck and just about make a man.